Good morning. Ayun, ang gulo ng kama. Kakagising lang namin. And medyo namamalat ako. So, tulog pa si Milo. Ayun yung dinosaur na nabili niya sa Universal Studios. Gusto niya yung lagi siyang may yakap na plushie. And then, so, every morning, nire-ready ko na yung damit niya dito. Yung OOTD niya. Tapos namin tatlo din. Para pagising niya. So, nauuna ko lagi maligo. Tapos si Mike, tapos siya. Kasi ito yung view dito sa labas. Silipin natin. Ayun siya sa morning. May mga pool dun. Pero di naman kami makapag-swimming. Hindi kami nagdala ng swimwear. Pero ang ganda, no? Meron din dun sa kabila. Ayun. Bababain ko yun mamaya. Para makita nyo malapitan. Breakfast time. So, nag-order lang kami ng breakfast sa baba. And ito ang meron. So, may eggs, fries, sausage toast, and coffee. Ayan, same lang kami lahat. Ayan. Tapos kay Milo ito. Same lang din kayo. So, kay Milo naman, orange juice kanya. Pero same kami lahat ng food. Ayan. So, dito kami kakain. May pa-view. Ayan. Ganda ng view. So, let's eat breakfast. Good morning. Okay, outfit of the day. Going to do a strip tour. And ikot ko kayo doon sa pool area. So, ayun lang. May dala akong puffer mamaya para sa gabi. Kasi baka biglang lumamig. Okay. So, ito pala itsura dito sa hallway. Sa hotel. Mga red yung doors. Ayan. Diba nice? Ayan. Tapos ito yung room namin. Room. Kita. 11212. So, medyo mahaba siya. Okay. Let's go there. Doon yung elevator. Ayan. So, ito naman yung elevator. Ang cute talaga ng mga design nila. Ito nyo yung wall may tapos may mga couch. Ayan yung mga elevator. Ayan. So, ito elevator nila. Red na red. So, ito yung sa casino. Sa lobby. So, dyan tayo pupunta kasi mag-meet kami ni ate sa baba. Ayan. Tapos, hindi ka basta-basta makakapindot ng floor. Kailangan meron kang gagamitin ganito yung keycard ng hotel. The top. There. Ayan yung sa elevator sa baba. Meron sila ditong lounge area. Ayan, so meron din dito mga table if gusto nyo mag-work. Mga lounge chairs. Tapos another lobby here. Huwag ko kung pwede dito mag-check-in. Kasi nag-check-in kami sa may casino mismo. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, dito kami sa Ruby Tower. And then, pupunta kami sa Skybox The Pool. So, paakyat doon. Let's go.
Check ka.
The pool. Ayan. This is us. With our OOTD. Ayan. The pool. The pool talaga legit. Ayan, so this is the pool. Sobrang ganda ng pool dito. Ayan, tayo sa pool. Ayan, so this is the second pool area. May mga lounge bed dyan, no? Mga kabana. Ayan. Tapos meron dong Mexican restaurant, Lucia. Meron din Cassie Beach. Ano yan? Kung maintindihan yung isang sulat. place. Ito. Yung pool kanina nandun banda sa kabila. Tapos ito naman yung isang pool dito sa kabila. Ayan. So, okay. So, ito yung pagbaba dun sa room namin. Ito yung makikita nyo. Napakita niya sa akin tong lucky box. Oh, so pwedeng ito lucky box. Ano mangyayari dyan?
Eh, paano makukuha mo? Mister na.
Ah, mystery. So, anong options? Ano yan?
Baka mong card.
Pokemon? Oh, $89.
What do you think, Milo? I don't know. Shoot yourself. Tiyo nga. Ganda na lang.
Ano, OOTD ni Milo. So, ayan o, nag-aano sila ng crypto, $4 cash. Ayan. So, merong mga ATM machine dito sa may casino. Ayan, ito yung driveway ng hotel namin. Ayan siya. Ganda, di ba? Ayan. So, since na-return na namin yung rental car namin, kanina umaga, mag-Uber na kami today. So, ito ang waiting area sa Uber. Pakita ko lang yung facade ng hotel. Ang ganda, no? Bongga. So, may mga pa-cactus na ganyan. Ayan, ito ang kanilang Uber waiting area. Ang laki ng mga cactus. Banana. Tesla today. Ayan. First time.
Bye-bye.
Let's go.
Okay.
A dashboard ng Tesla. And this is Mom and Milo. We're going to Caesar's Palace. Dun mag-Vegas trip tour kami today. We'll eat at Cheesecake Factory because this one wants cheesecake. OMG, ang ganda dito sa Caesar's Palace. Para talaga siyang palace. Ang ganda. Meron ditong food hall. Parang siyang food court. Ang daming option. Ang daming food option. Ayan. So, dito na kami magkakain ng lunch. Si Cake Boss, si Buddy Valastro. Meron siyang pizzeria dito. Ito siya. Ayan. Tapos meron siya mga pastries. Ayan. Pero papanood natin. Hello.
Hello.
So, we're gonna try our first boba here in Vegas. And it's why I got the taro one.
Okay.
Try it. I don't want to chase it because I'm kind of lost. So, how do you open it? Cheers. Cheers, anak. Cheers. Cheers. Order kami ng Korean food, bibimbap or same kami lahat. Amin tatlo. So this is our bibimbap bowl. So same lang kami tatlo ng food. So we're gonna mix the food. Good baby. This is the Vanderpump Vegas. Ganda. Going there. So, we're going there at the Forum Shop. Andun yung The Fall of Atlantis show. So, manonood kami. Sino kaya yung statue na yan? I don't know. But look at the detail. Bongga. Dito lang yan sa loob ng Caesars. Ano.
Cheesecake Factory.
I'm not
You're trying out what?
No.
Cheesecake Factory.
Can I see? That one. Okay.
Which one should I pick? And no, I'm not getting your advice.
Is it good?
You're the trophy.
Vatican. That's her name, right?
Vatican, yeah.
Vatican's the second best.
I know. Who's the green one in this? Justin. Final Evolution Chestnut. I'm gonna go one.
Justin's kinda ugly.
I'm gonna go Vatican. Chestnut. It's not really ugly.
No, I mean Justin.
Yeah, Justin's ugly. Thank you guys. Cool. Pepsi.
Why you go trophy?
I prefer Fennekin.
Day one.
Kasi I find both options really good. I thought it's supposed to be Cheesecake Factory, not
Cheesecake Factory. Gordon Ramsay. Poppin'sville. Ayan na ang Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen ni Gordon Ramsay. Mga paapoy siya. Ayan ang Hell's Kitchen. Paapoy talaga si Gordon. Gordon Ramsay. Okay, we're going in. We're going in at Green Fairy Garden. I don't know what's in there. But, baka maganda. Ayun ang Caesars Palace.
Have a look around. Take some cute photos for your social media profile. Root to your
Ito may papuno ditong malaki. Ito pala yung nasa labas. Lalaki. Lala. Ito ko ba yung phone? Eiffel Tower. In a few minutes magkakashow sa fountain.
कितने का पड़ा था?
May ano na naman dito. So, dito.
LSE parking. 206 North 3rd Street. Oh, good.
Na ang Planet Hollywood. Daming tao.
Siya tayo pipick upin ng ano?
Oo, yung bus natin.
Yung bus natin.
Wait tayo dun.
Elen আর নামিত যাক ওদিকে এলেন নামিত তোমরা ওইদিকে যাও ভাবি আছে ওখানে
Awit ah. Ay, madami naman pala siya. Happy Thanksgiving. Eiffel Tower. Is that even moving? How did he do that? Ayun na si ate girl, si Botted Blonde.
Hold on. Hold on. Peter.
I just won't eat myself.
Live action ng hinahuli ng polis at pinapasasan. Anong meron? May RuPaul's Drag Race live show. So kung manood, pagkano kaya ang patiket? Yan. Yan naman may mga pa-burlesque show. Having our Thanksgiving dinner here in this restaurant. But off the strip, yun yung pangalan ng restaurant. So order lang muna kami. And a candlelight.
Oh, you can open your jacket.
Hello, we're having dinner here.
I'm gonna take chicken parmigiana.
Okay.
How much shall I get fries? Thank you. Garden green na lang.
Hello. My dinner is chicken parmesan and steak. Let me show you the steak. There's the steak. So it's big. I like it. Here, let's eat.
Oh yeah. Good.
It's the pasta that's not chicken. This is like perfectly warm. It's seasoned well. Most of the I usually get my steaks like medium well. I think I'm getting medium rare this time. From now on.
So your served food, we have chicken parmigiana for Milo, and then a side of steak, and then we have salad, and lasagna, and another steak. And we have some fries, garlic bread. Oh, thank you. We also have garlic bread for the lasagna. Okay, dinner time.
Can you move your plate closer so that we can see?
Okay, steak here. This steak is so good. Diba? Alam. So good.
Thank you. Kain ka na.
Fairness to
The sides are really nice.
yeah, sulit dito no, Day?
Kukul sa dun kanina. Hindi ko nakakaloko. No?
Dinner area, we're done eating. We're going out now. This is that's the name of the place, of the strip. Yan. I think they're open 23 hours. Celebrate Thanksgiving.
Esto está vacío, que se van a...
Yan ang kanilang menu.